Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Today we're doing a 5-minute totally lying down core workout. If you're not already lying down, go ahead and join me on your back. You're gonna bend your knees, lift your feet up off of the floor, and then take your left hand and press it into your left knee as you pull your left knee towards you. So you're creating some pressure here. Then press your lower back into the surface that you're lying on. And now we reach the right arm and the right leg out and then bring them back in. I'm continuing to apply pressure with the left hand to the left knee. And I'm not picky on breath here. You can exhale as you extend the arm and the leg. You can exhale as you bring them back together. You can exhale throughout the entire movement. And let's switch. So now we're pushing our right hand into our right knee as we pull that right knee in. And now left arm and left leg extend out and pull back up to our starting position. Remember, you're pushing your lower back into the surface beneath you. You should be feeling tension throughout your trunk. Let's do one more. And release. Feet can come down to the surface. Staying in this lying down position. Bring your hands out to your sides for balance. We're gonna lift the feet back up off the floor with bent knees again. Now we're doing windshield wipers. We're letting the knees and the feet fall over to one side. Then we pull them back up through the middle. Let them fall over to the other side. I'm not letting my legs rest on the floor. I want to keep them hovering just above it before I bring them back up. This might feel like a lower back stretch, but you should also be feeling like your oblique muscles, the core muscles on the side of your trunk are working to control that lowering and then working to pull you back up. Let's do one more on the second side. And let those legs relax. Next up is a half suitcase crunch. We're gonna activate our lower abdominal muscles. Again, we lift the feet up off the floor with bent knees. Now pressing our hands into the ground, lift your butt up off the ground, bring your knees to your chest, and then lower the legs back down. Butt comes off the floor, knees to chest, lower back down. Don't worry if you're not getting a ton of height here. This is a hard movement. We only get to use the lower part of our abdominals. Keep going through these. And I want you to keep in mind that even if this is challenging, strong cores come in all shapes and sizes. So you can have a strong core in whatever body you're in. Last one. All right, finally we get to straighten those legs out in front of us. We'll lift the shoulders up off the floor. I want you to reach your right hand towards your right knee and then swivel left hand towards the left knee. We're gonna swivel back and forth here. If that's too hard, you can always rest your head back on the floor and just focus on crunching side to side. You don't have to do the hardest variation of every exercise. You showed up today, that's the most important thing. Give me a few more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, relax, and we're going into our finale movement. It's our hollow body hold. We're gonna press our lower backs into the floor, lift both legs off the ground, lift the arms and the shoulders off of the floor, and we're holding here. Now I know this is really, really tough. You're trying to make a C shape with your body. Lower back keeps pushing into the ground. You're almost there. You've shown up for these 5 minutes. You've put in effort. You've been consistent in your workouts today. And lower down in 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, we did it. Thank you so much for being excellent to yourself today. If you liked this workout, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel for more exercises like this. I'm Natalie Carey.